9 simple phrases men love to hear. Picture this. You're in a relationship, everything looks okay from the outside, but it seems to you as if your partner is not so involved or invested in this process as you are. Maybe simply because of what you say or don't. Communication is directly related to the emotional bond in a relationship, as research shows. A few chosen words can light a fire, bolster confidence in your connection, and we'll be discussing 9 simple phrases that men love hearing. These aren't platitudes. They're based on psychology and play out in real life. Watch on, and by the end, I promise you, you will have actionable methods you can use to improve your communication. So, let's begin. Number 1, I appreciate you. One of the most common complaints from men in relationships is feeling unappreciated. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships revealed that 62% of men value verbal affirmation of their contributions in a partnership. Think about it. How often do you acknowledge the little things your partner does? Maybe he fixes something around the house, plans a date, or simply listens when you need to vent. If these gestures go unnoticed, over time he might feel taken for granted. The fix is simple. Saying, "I appreciate you" can make a world of difference. It's a short phrase, but it shows that you see his efforts. Whether it's a heartfelt thank you for cooking dinner or acknowledging his hard work at his job, this phrase reinforces his sense of value in the relationship. A Reddit user once shared how his relationship turned around when his wife started expressing more appreciation. "I didn't realize how much I craved that until she said it," he wrote. "Now, I make an effort to do even more for her because I feel seen." Number 2, you make me feel safe. Men are often conditioned to be protectors and providers. It's a role society has placed on them for centuries, and while times are changing, this expectation still holds weight. If a man feels like he's failing to fulfill this role, it can hurt his confidence and sense of purpose. Without acknowledgement of his efforts, he might second-guess his ability to support and protect. Telling your partner, "You make me feel safe," validates his role in the relationship. This isn't just about physical safety, it's emotional safety too. You're letting him know that his presence, decisions, and support make you feel secure. Therapists often hear male clients say, "I just want to know I'm doing enough." A simple phrase like this can eliminate that doubt and deepen trust. Number 3, I'm proud of you. Men want to feel accomplished, not just for themselves, but also in the eyes of their loved ones. Unfortunately, many men grow up in environments where praise is limited. This lack of affirmation can create a void, and if a partner doesn't fill it, he might seek validation elsewhere, whether through work, hobbies, or even other relationships. Saying, "I'm proud of you," is a direct way to celebrate his achievements. Whether he's landed a promotion, hit a personal fitness goal, or simply handled a tough situation well, your pride means more to him than you might think. A survey by Pew Research found that men ranked feeling respected as one of their top relationship needs. When you tell him you're proud, you're actively meeting that need. Number 4, I trust you. Trust is foundational in any relationship, but it's also a common area of insecurity for men. According to a study in Psychology Today, 54% of men admitted that they worry about not being trustworthy enough in their partner's eyes. This fear is often stemming from past experiences or societal pressures to be perfect. If he feels like you doubt his decisions or capabilities, it can create unnecessary tension. The phrase, "I trust you," goes a long way in easing these concerns. Whether it's about small decisions like picking a restaurant or bigger life choices like finances, expressing trust empowers him and strengthens the bond between you. A couple featured in the book, The 7 Principles for Making Marriage Work, highlighted how saying, "I trust you" during tough times helped them navigate challenges more effectively. The husband said, "It made me feel like I had someone in my corner, no matter what." Number 5, you look great. Contrary to popular belief, men care about their appearance too, yet they rarely receive compliments about how they look. This lack of acknowledgement can make him feel invisible. If the only time he hears about his appearance is when something's wrong, like a messy shirt, it can chip away at his self-esteem. Flip the script by saying, "You look great," whether he's in a suit for a formal event or rocking casual wear at home. This phrase makes him feel noticed and appreciated. In a 2020 online forum, men discussed how much they love being complimented on their looks. One user wrote, "It's rare, but when my partner says it, I feel like $1,000,000. Number 6, I'm lucky to have you. Everyone wants to feel special in their relationship, and men are no exception. However, studies show that men often feel overlooked when it comes to expressions of gratitude. If he doesn't feel like a priority or believe he's making a difference in your life, it can lead to an emotional distance. Telling him, "I'm lucky to have you," is a simple way to remind him of his unique place in your life. This phrase conveys gratitude, admiration, and love all in one. A relationship survey by eHarmony revealed that partners who frequently express gratitude are 47% more likely to report high levels of satisfaction in their relationship. Number 7. I believe in you. Self-doubt is a silent struggle for many men. They might not always voice it, but they often look to their partners for encouragement. Without support, these doubts can spiral, affecting his performance at work, his hobbies, or even his role in the relationship. Saying, "I believe in you" provides reassurance during challenging times. Whether he's chasing a dream, navigating a tough job, or trying something new, your belief can be the push he needs to succeed. A motivational speaker once shared how his wife's consistent encouragement helped him persevere during his early career struggles. He said, "Those 4 words, 'I believe in you,' were more powerful than any motivational book I've read." Number 8. Thank you for everything you do. In relationships, it's easy to take routines for granted. Men often handle tasks, big and small, without expecting recognition. Over time, the lack of acknowledgement can lead to resentment or burnout. He might think, "Does she even notice what I do?" A simple thank you for everything you do can counteract this feeling. Whether it's for his hard work at the office, his support during tough times, or even mundane chores, gratitude keeps the relationship balanced and harmonious. A study by the University of Georgia found that expressing gratitude in a relationship increases commitment and reduces conflicts, especially among long-term couples. Number 9. I love spending time with you. Quality time is one of the most significant love languages, but men often worry if their presence alone is enough. If he feels like you're only spending time with him out of obligation, it can create a disconnect. He might start to question whether you genuinely enjoy his company. Telling him, "I love spending time with you," reassures him that he's more than just a partner. He's also your favorite companion. Whether you're on a date or simply lounging on the couch, this phrase strengthens the emotional connection. Relationship expert Dr. John Gottman emphasizes that couples who express enjoyment of each other's company are more likely to weather conflicts and grow closer over time. There you have it. 9 easy but powerful phrases to save your relationship. Let's quickly recap. Number 1, I appreciate you. Number 2, you make me feel safe. Number 3, I'm proud of you. Number 4, I trust you. Number 5, you look great. Number 6, I'm lucky to have you. Number 7, I believe in you. Number 8, thank you for everything you do. And number 9, I love spending time with you. These phrases aren't just words. They're tools to show respect, build trust, and deepen your bond. Start using them today and watch how your relationship transforms. If you found this useful, pass it on to the next person who needs to hear this. Please like, subscribe, and comment below which phrase speaks to you most. Thanks for watching.